Hey everyone, welcome back to Roden Zone. Today I've got something super exciting for all you creatives out there. We're going to talk about how you can get Canva Pro for free. Yes, you heard that right. Free Canva Pro? Let's dive right in. For more tutorials and tips about graphic designing, freelancing, or about anything about online earning, you can visit our channel and/or comment on this video that which course you want to learn. We will bring complete course for free for our viewers. So kindly watch the complete video. So let's get started. First, you need to open your browser and search Bingo Tingo for Canva. Open the first website. Scroll down. Here you can see the option for download, but in many cases here it will tell you to wait 60 seconds. After that, clicking the download button. Click to get here. It's directly send you on Canva application. And now you can use everything in Canva. All are free now. But remember, there in some cases the team is full. It will not show you get here button. For that you need to wait and try later. Once the new team came to Bingo Tingo application, you will get the access easily. And that's it. You're all set to start creating amazing designs with Canva Pro without spending a dime. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Rodenzone for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.